Creation of the Qqiroc or Frigretty wheel. Frigretty is an Oy'Nissh design which is defined as unity and love around the table. It is a pattern made for kitchen accessories and features various aspects of the constructed language and food development, for example, themes relating to catering and Veeliksa creation for new words created to accommodate creative space. The design came into existence on Sunday, May 14, 2023 at 6:51 p.m. in Edinburgh, Scotland. Qqiroc, also called Frigretty wheel or Frigretty circle, is a marker used to identify this Oy'Nissh pattern. It consists of 4 parts: speel, wench, vis, and owl. This is the inner or central part of the Frigretty with a circle and 2 lines perpendicular to each other, which forms a fan. Both lines divide the interior into 4 windows called the speel, which makes the outer circle the speel border. The fan is called the speel fan. There are 4 edges that branch off to form the Frigretty network. These are extensions of the speel fan that goes to create the extensive design across kitchen accessories. A vis, a bud-like node with 2 parts. There is a long strand and a short strand which protrude from the outer circle of the speel with 2 pairs opposite to each other. An oval is a space that starts outside a speel that goes on to form pathways throughout a Frigretty. It works tandem to wench or edges to form color-filled patterns with theme-related emphasis. Example, themes relating directly to Oy'Nissh food, foraging, and other aspects of life.